This recipe is from my sister. I'm Tess, and today I'm making a cinnamon flop. This dessert cake is so good, it's almost dangerous. Stay tuned. This cinnamon flop recipe is from my sister. I've never made it before, but it really sounded interesting, so I thought I would make it and share with you all. I'm first mixing my dry ingredients. I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm adding in 1 cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The recipe also calls for 1 small package of vanilla pudding mix, and it's important that you do not use the instant, giving that a good mix to combine. Now for the wet ingredients. I have 1 3/4 cups of whole milk and 1/4 cup of oil. I'm mixing well, and the batter will be very thick. I'm pouring the batter into a greased 13 by 9 inch baking pan and leveling out the best that I can. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. Next, I'm pouring a stick of melted butter over the top. Now I'm sprinkling 1 1/2 cups of brown sugar all over the top of the melted butter. This is going to help form a nice sugary crust. And finally, sprinkling some cinnamon all over the top of the brown sugar. This is going into a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes. And this is the cinnamon flop right out of the oven. It smells amazing. You can see where it formed little bubbles and pockets where the cinnamon sugar melted through. Going to let this rest for 20 to 30 minutes or until it's warm. You can serve this cinnamon flop warm or cold. It is great warm with a scoop of ice cream. The cake is like a coffee cake, dense but fluffy. Reminds me of a pound cake texture. Great vanilla flavor. As the cake cools, the top forms a cinnamon sugar crust, and some of the cinnamon worked its way down into the cake. I definitely will be making this cinnamon flop again. Thanks, sis. I hope you all give this cinnamon flop recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.